Happy 80th birthday, Edith. Enjoy your life to the fullest. I wish you the best of health and happiness. Hope to see you back soon here in Guam.
Happy birthday, Edith. Many happy returns of the year. I hope you have many, many, many more.
Wow, turning 80. Wow, so blessed. My friend Edith, I miss you. See you soon. Happy birthday. Enjoy and God bless. Okay, take care.
Hi, Ate Edith. Happy birthday, Ate Edith. Many more to come. God bless. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Edith.
Hi, Auntie. Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Edith. Happy birthday to you. All right, love you.
Love
Miss
you.
you.
Hugs.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mana Edith. Buffalo!
Happy birthday to the best ate in the whole wide world. We love you, todo todo.
All right.
To my ever dearest Mana Edith, wish you all the best on your 80th summers of your life. And many happy returns of the day. Utang po sa inyo ni Ate Sony ang breeding ko. At tinatanong ko yan habang buhay. Maraming salamat and enjoy your day.
Hello, Tita Edith! Happy 80th birthday po sa inyo. Wow, 80 years old na po kayo. And yet you don't look like one. You're still the same beautiful, vibrant Tita Edith that I've known nung bata pa po ako. Let me take this chance po to say thank you po for your kindness and goodness to our family po. Especially sa akin po personally, isang tawag, isang message lang po. You're always there to help out. And sa family niyo rin po, kay Edric at saka kay Jonathan po. On this special day of yours, I want you to know that you are a blessing to everyone around you po. And we are happy that up until now po, sobrang malakas pa po kayo and you continue to inspire every one of us. And salamat po for keeping in touch kasi kahit magkakalayo po tayo sa ngayon, sana po in the future, we will get to have a reunion po so that we can see each other again po. And yun, salamat po kasi we can always feel your love and concern kahit po paminsan-minsan na lang po tayo nagkaka-chat po at nagkakausap. And for your 80th birthday, I just pray na si Lord will give you good health, more blessings and happiness po, and may you continue to do what you love to do and what makes you feel young and happy. And always take care po, Tita. I miss you so much. And yeah, hopefully, sana po in the future magkita-kita po ulit tayo. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. God bless you.
Hello, Edith. Happy 80th birthday. How does it feel to be 80? Ako, nung nag-80 ako, very happy ako para akong nag-debut.
Happy birthday, Tita Edith. It's your 80th birthday. Bihirang-bihira kayo nakakaabot dyan. So that is a very big achievement and we're so happy that you reached that age tulad ni Mama. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong mo at ni Edric at ni Jonathan sa pamilya namin. All these years, we will never forget your generosity, and that is why you are continuously being blessed by the Lord. So, have fun on your birthday, Tita Edith, and we love you always.
Hi, Tita Edith. Happy 80th birthday. I hope you stay strong and healthy, same as kay Mama. God bless.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Stay happy. Stay young. We love you.
We love you.
God bless you all.
Hi, Tita Edith. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Mahaba pa yan. No? More blessings to come. And we wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. See you soon!
Happy 80th birthday, Tita Edith. At nagpapasalamat ako sa tulong na binigay niyo sa akin last year nung ako'y ma-accident. Maraming salamat. And happy birthday ulit, Tita Edith. Bye! Ingat kayo dyan.
Hello, Tita Edith. Happy birthday sa inyo. Stay alive and keep healthy. Yeah. Si June ako, si June Cuenca. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, Tita Edith. That is Tito June.
Hi, Auntie Edith. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health always. And thank you for everything, Auntie. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Mana. Good evening. Happy birthday in advance. Thank you for the iTerra care. And thank you for everything you have done for us. Thank you so much.
Oh, Mana. Happy birthday in advance. Pinala ka tuig. Aniya, salamat sa tanan. Sa may mga kaiba nimo, hay mga kaiba nimo. Sige, salamat.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bayu. Sige na.
Thank you.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. Greetings from Dubai. Wish you good health and more candles to blow. Love you, Mama. Take care.
Good morning. Advance happy birthday to Mana Edith. Have a nice birthday and happiness to all the years. We miss you all. Thank you very much.
Hello, Auntie. Happy 80th birthday. I thank God for giving you such beautiful years. You deserve such a beautiful life because you are such a generous person. Thank you for all the help you have given us all these years. We are forever grateful to God because we have a very helpful and very generous aunt. So thank you very much for the kindness. I always pray to God to give you more strength and shower up happiness every day in your beautiful lifetime. I hope you have a blast on your 80th birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lola Edith! I miss you! We will see you again soon!
Happy birthday, Auntie!
Happy birthday, Auntie!
Jing!
Happy birthday to Mana Edith. It is birthday. Congratulations. Magkita-kita tayo sa Gompohon. Okay? That's all. Happy 80th birthday, Mana Edith. Hope more birthdays to come. Good health and God bless you. See you soon.
Mana Edith. 80th. Happy birthday, Mana Edith. I hope I can reach also that age that you have birthday. On September 21, happy birthday. If you are still there in Guam, and if you are still in California, while you are still in California, I wish you have a good birthday celebration together with your sons, our relatives there in Cosmiana clan. I hope you enjoy your birthday celebration. My wife Lenny is there. Want to greet you also.
Happy birthday, Mana Edith. Wish you all the best in your life and be always happy to be in California. I hope soon you will go here in Guam. And we always take care, and also to
Edric, happy birthday. And wishing you a day of inspiration, a year of success, and a year of filled of love and happy in your wife.
Again, happy birthday, Man Edith. We are waiting for you here in Guam. See you soon. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Auntie Edith. Happy birthday po. Another milestone po ulit ang 80. Wish ko po is more blessings and more achievement come to your life. And ako po ay personally nagpapasalamat sa pagtulong niyo po sa akin, sa lahat po, paggabay. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa pamilya namin. And ayun po, God bless you po. And again, happy 80th birthday. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday sa imo mana this coming September 17. 21 kandante pa sa September 17. September 21. Sana magkatipon-tipon tayo dyan para masaya tayo sa imo birthday celebration na attended sa imo nila ni Edric.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. We just came from church and we wish you more birthdays to celebrate, and we are happy that you'll be 80 years old. It's a milestone, and we are happy that we get to greet you through this video. And Kael, what did you say?
I wish for you to be happy, because the healthiest thing in life is to be happy, because the happier you are, the longer you live.
Wow, that's really so. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bye Edith.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking care.
Thank you for taking care
of me
and thank you for watching me being born.
When you were born 10 years ago.
Yeah, 10 years ago. 2014.
Yeah. The Edith was there. So you haven't seen her
in a long time.
Yeah. So we wish you more good health and happiness, Auntie, and we wish you more birthdays to celebrate, and hope we could meet again soon. Iban ko kuan Uncle Jonathan kun mo kare si Jawid Therese, and thank you Edric for this opportunity to make a video greetings to our one and only Auntie Edith, the most generous, helpful, and gorgeous auntie. And wish we could reach that age also soon. Aging gracefully, right?
Nanay, tawag sa vlog si Kuya.
Sige. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Auntie Edith!
Hi! Happy birthday, Auntie Edith! I wish you good health and more blessings to come. May God bless you more.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Inapunta na hatagang pakaunan. Marazon na panlawas. Panunahuna sa nandabog pa na birthdays. Hope to see you soon in Kamtilan.
Hope to see you soon. We miss you.
Yes.
Happy birthday by Edith. I wish you more birthdays to come, and I wish you good health, and I hope I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday mana sa imong 80 anyos.
Happy birthday mana. May God bless you. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Sana tagaan pa ka ng mataas-taas na pinabuhi. Kita masunod rin dali. Yung mga tiguyang naman sa happy birthday uli.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Edith.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish you more birthdays to come. Good health always.
Wish you birthday to come.
Miss you.
Miss you.
Love you.
Love you. God bless always.
God bless.
God
Amping
bless.
Happy birthday.
Amping.
Hello, Auntie. Happy 80th birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Good health, more blessings, and let's go to Pachanga to play slots na. I love you and see you soon. Bye. Happy birthday.
Andrea, mandami a Bieldo, speriamo da tare laggiù. Una musica dolce suonavo sotto a te. Volare, oh, cantare, oh, alici di stare lassù, per gli ultimi dei blu, alici di stare lassù. Pretty dang good. You ladies work a little choreography. I'm going to call my agent. We're going to do a short thing.
Happy birthday! Hello, Edric.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ed.
We wish you a happy birthday and many more birthdays to come, and we love you.
Happy birthday. May God continue to bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Edith. Hope you have an amazing one. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mana Edith. One of my partner in crime. As you know, we always go together in our happiest place on earth. How old are you now, Mana Edith? Because you still look young at your age. I guess I believe now the magic wand. That's your secret, huh? Now I'm going to start using mine. Hours. So I will look young when I reach your age. So happy birthday again, Mana Edith. Wish you all the best. Long life, good health, happiness, and more birthdays to come. God bless you always. Mana Edith, love you.
Hi, Auntie Edith. Your age is a testament to the strength and resilience that resides within you. We hope you never lack in love, hope, and youth in your heart. Happy 80th birthday. Love, Cassie, baby Isabella, and Jessie.
Hello, Mana Edith. Si Annie. I just want to greet you a blessed 80 years old birthday, I think. But Mana Edith, embrace God's gift of life. You are a blessing and a blessing to everyone. And happy birthday. We love you, Mana Edith. We'll always remember you. You're always in our heart. Mana Edith, kadit lang kay someone, may mo greeting mo ha, kadit lang. Ready? Happy birthday!
Hello, Auntie Edith. Happy birthday, Ida here. I'm currently in my office, and I thought I'd just kind of point out that I have mom and dad here dancing at probably one of the Leyte Summer Association events back home in Guam. It was so good to see you again after so many years, and I'm excited to spend a little bit more time with you as we celebrate your 80th birthday. Again, have a wonderful birthday and many more years to come, and we'll see you on Sunday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mother.
Happy birthday, Mother.
Maligayang Caravan.
Yeah. Wishing you good health and long life. And I hope you can visit us again here in our humble abode. We're gonna prepare Turkish food for you. And see you soon. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hello, Tita Edith. Happy birthday. I hope you're having a great celebration. I wish you all the best, great health, and more wealth. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Edith. We love you. Stay safe. God bless. Happy birthday. Be happy.
Happy birthday po, Mama Edith. I hope you have a good day po. All the blessings and sana po ang ganda po ng lahat ng presents ninyo. And enjoy po. Peace and
Hola, say happy birthday, Mama Edith. Come on. Happy birthday po. I wish you all the best. Mama chup chup.
Hi Ma! Happy birthday! I pray that you will always stay healthy and safe. Tana, dayhon mo pa ako sa bingo. And thank you for loving me. I love you.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. I wanted to wish you the happiest birthday. And I have a song I just learned just for you. It goes like this. Happy birthday, why manok? Daoy baboy, purus tambok. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Ma. Happy birthday.
Happy 80th birthday, Mama La. I'm sorry I couldn't be there at your 80th party, but I'm happy you're turning 80 and I hope you go back to Guam safely. Thank you for everything. I love you bunches. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you for everything, for all the teachings and the cooking and the plantita, everything.
Yes, and we're very, very glad that you are with us to
Yes.
your 80th birthday, even if it's going to be ahead of schedule. So thank you for everything, and
And we
Sheila,
love
we love
you.
you very much.
And with Jaylan, we love you so much. Sa Mamala. So happy birthday to you.
Sheila and Jalen all love you very much.
We
Also,
wish you all the best
we wish
and good health and happiness and everything.
yes, we love you, Toda Toda.
We love
Happy
you,
birthday.
Toda Toda. Happy birthday.
Enjoy. It's supposed to be a surprise. Please act surprised when you watch this, okay?
Okay.
We love you.
Enjoy. We love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma.
We have some special guests for you. They came all the way from the other ends of the world.
Buboy and Therese, the lovebird.
We want to wish you a happy 80th birthday. And
Happy birthday.
good health and all the happiness that a mother should have. So
We love you,
we
Toda
love you
Toda.
from all of us to you. We love you very much and happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Thank you for everything.
Love you, Toda Toda.
Yeah.